Alright, so it's 5:57. We are outside Malad station. We are already super late. We have a train at 7 from Dadar. I don't think we'll be able to make it for the 7 o'clock train, and if we miss that, then the next train is after 1 hour, so we're gonna get in the ass. So I hope we make it for the 7 o'clock train. So after 2 hours of ride in that train, we finally made it to Kasara. Now the journey actually begins now. There's a 3-hour ride to the base camp before we start the trek. So let's go. Alright, so the bags are here, the boys are here. The boys are really happy and in a great mood. Keep the same energy.
Don't play.
So that's our car. That's the man who's gonna take us. Harishchandragad Kada. So we just got here. That's the cab which dropped us. We are taking the stuff and now going on top. Let's go! Alright, so everyone is set. We are about to begin the trek. Let's see how long it takes for us to be on top. We are hoping to reach before the sunset. That's going to be a little difficult, but let's try. This is Harishchandragad Fort. I have done this trek before, but I didn't completely make it to the top, to Kokan Kada. The reason that I didn't make it to Kokan Kada because we came here during the monsoon. It was raining and everything was covered with clouds. There was nothing visible. We couldn't see anything ahead, so we couldn't go ahead. So that's why we are back to complete it. And this is the only time that I'm vlogging a trek. I've done so many treks in Maharashtra. I've done Kalavantin, Harihar, Harishchandragad, Kalsubai, Vikatgad, Gorakhgad and so many more, but I never vlogged anything. This is my first trek vlog. I always got company by dogs. Everywhere that I've trekked in Maharashtra and Himachal or wherever, I've always got dogs. So dogs are very friendly and they will always accompany you. Alright, so right in front of me is the Harishchandragad temple. So this is the place that we reached last time. We couldn't go anywhere else because there were clouds everywhere and we couldn't see anything. There was zero visibility. None of this was visible. Right now it's nice and clear. And we have to go to Kokan Kada, which is on the other side. After 2.5 hours of trekking, we finally made it to the top of Kokan Kada. So this is the spot that we've decided where we're gonna camp. So we're just gonna put our tents now. We're gonna set 3 tents for 7 of us, and we're gonna share. No gay, no homo, nothing. But we're gonna spend the night here. in front of this beautiful view. Alright, so we are almost set. The tents are getting ready. The sun is about to set. Everything is really beautiful and we are just soaking in the beauty right now. The boys have gone to get some wood for the night because it's going to be super cold. That was Kokan Kada. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for the second part in which I will show you guys the sunrise and the fun that we have while getting off. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel.